If you're a chaat lover, I promise this spicy, tangy and crunchy chaat recipe will surely tingle your taste buds. Let's make Ragda Chaat. In the market, you get these dried white peas or ragda. I have taken 1 cup of these and soaked them overnight. Here you see after soaking they have swelled up. Let's begin by boiling these. In a cooker, I'm simply adding 2 cups of water, the soaked ragda and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm closing this and we will let this cook for 3 whistles. It's done, let's check. The ragda is cooked, perfect. Now let's spice it up. In a kadhai, I'm taking 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding a pinch of hing and 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Once the jeera crackles, I'm adding 1 finely chopped onion. Cook till they turn translucent. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 chopped green chili. Saute this for a few seconds. Now I'm adding the spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Once the masalas are cooked, I'm adding 2 grated tomatoes. Cook for a minute. Time to add the white peas we boiled. Bring it together and cook for a minute. In the end, I'm adding chopped coriander leaves. Let's give it a mix and now it's time to assemble the chaat. Firstly, I'm adding the cooked ragda. Drizzle on this some sweetened curd, green chutney and tamarind chutney. Add chopped onions and tomatoes. Sprinkle salt, chaat masala, red chili powder and fine save. Crush and add some puris for some extra crunch. In the end, I'm adding some chopped coriander leaves. Perfect. Next time you're craving for chaat, make this wholesome ragda chaat and enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.